What's up, guys? Just want to show you this cool product that Andy at STV Racking has designed for the Milwaukee Packout Crate. So it's 2 pieces of HDPE with all these fancy grooves that he's got machined in. This will make sense in a minute. So you get 2 of those, you get some mounting hardware and the instructions and what's included, the lengths of the conduit. So this is a crate spool kit. So we have spools of random stuff that's a mess. This kit is going to allow us to clean that up and get it organized. Just some basic hand tools you'll need to install everything, something to cut the 1/2-inch EMT that you'll need to provide. And other than that, it's straightforward. So I'm going to show you guys how to put this together. It's only going to take a couple of minutes. Alright, so this is how simple this is. So empty out your crate. You've got these 2 pieces that Andy provides. There is no left or right. They're a mirror image of themselves. So you slide those in, push that tight, and basically we're going to drill 2 holes that will come through here, and we're going to use the mounting hardware that Andy includes in the kit, and we'll do the same thing on this side. And then we'll cut some conduit. Pretty basic, but it's going to be nice to have this all set up. Alright, so we got one side installed. Pretty straightforward. Didn't really run into any problems, but maybe just a couple of tips for you guys when you're installing yours. I found that I put the side in, made sure it fit great, had this bit on the drill, which is the exact same interior diameter as that. Just pushed through, making 2 holes in that side. And then what I had to do was take, so you put that in there and then put the acorn nut on the back. As you can see the way it's been cut, just put the acorn nut on the back and pull that through. So maybe I'll insert a video of that few steps here, just so you guys can see that. Alright, so I got everything installed. Pretty straightforward. We went through that. I got 4 pieces of conduit cut, so I can have 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top if I want to. I color coded them just so it was an easier visual for me. So 2 are shorter, 2 are longer. The shorter ones go at the bottom, So as I was just setting this up, I just thought it was easier as a visual for me. So that's all those are for. So I'll get some of this stuff snapped in, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's put together. Alright, so just using the wide angle on my phone here, just to see if I can show you how to do this one-handed. So there's obviously all these different grooves. So if you want to get something down at the lower level, you come down one of those grooves and you come into, you know, a position. And once it's there, you just snap that down a little bit and it won't fall out at all. So whatever you have on there. And the top ones, it's the same principle. But those ones, let's say right here. So boom, they just snap right in. So that's pretty cool. So we'll get some stuff put on there and see what it's all about. Alright, it's all assembled. Just messed around with some different layouts. I'm not going to keep all this stuff in here, but just wanted to show you guys that you could set it up in lots of different configurations. So one thing I should have pointed out earlier is when it's installed, these are low enough that you can still put another packout on top of that. With reels and stuff, or wire, whatever you have, obviously you got to pay attention to that height. So in this configuration, I can't put a top on it, but I can easily lower that down, move some of this stuff around. So all in all, I say it's a pretty cool kit, pretty straightforward to install, and it helps kind of keep all this random stuff, anything that's got a hole in the center, rolls of tape, wire, whatever. I don't know, I like it. So great job, Andy. All right, just another another storage option. So just kind of messing around. I got a bunch of these products from Crown that I use on my vehicles and stuff, and shop towels, pretty basic stuff. And this is obviously in the Packout Crate, so it can be stowed on a wall plate like this. So I may do that. And also, assuming you're not concerned about bottles leaking, you can stow it like this, take it with you, and then if you're doing some detailing, whatever, you just flip it up and you have yourself a little station. And these come out no problem. Just a quick little twist to get up over that. Get the idea. So I thought that was pretty neat. Just another option, I guess.